Another job I've got to do is cut a branch down, and this is what I'm going to use. Lisa got me that for Christmas several years ago, and I cut some branches already with it. Comes with 3 chains and 2 batteries, and it seems like it's a good deal. This is a Saker, I guess, 20-volt battery. Works really good. There's the demo. And note, do not cut wood which is more than 4 inches around. I was right on the border there. Do not overstress the machine when cutting wood. I did that. When the machine is not used for a long time, please fully charge it, then store it, which I did that. Alright, thanks for watching this part of the video. Please like and subscribe. I got more work to do today. Alright, I cut this branch down, and now I'm going to just, with this little thing, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to use this thing. Bounce it around a bit, but I think it's going to be fine. I won't cut that branch. It's going to fall apart. Another branch. It works like a regular chainsaw, even when it'll get pinched like a regular chainsaw too. One-handed grip. There we go. Gets jammed up. Certainly dry and dead wood. There's a spot. This other side is cut off, that side is cut off. That'll fit in our bonfire